Hello guys, I replaced my laptop charger and then I started getting little shocks from the tip of the charger and from the laptop. Also I can't use my mic when I plug it in, mic is making noise itself. In this video I will show you how to solve this issue. It is very simple to do. If you have only this problem when your laptop plugged in, then watch this video till the end. Or if you have this problem without connecting the charger and the laptop is working on the battery, then skip this video if you want. So now I am going to turn the mic on so you can hear the sound. Can you hear? This is how the mic sounds like. This sound is because of electric shock is passing on the laptop body, but it can't harm you, but it can hurt you and it can disturb you through aux in and out. Also maybe it kill your motherboard slowly, but don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix it. You can see my charger brand name is LabCare and I started having this issue when I replaced my laptop charger. So when you going to replace your laptop charger, make sure your laptop charger is original and the amps and volts are same like old one. Getting electric shock is because of no ground connection and you can avoid it by connecting to the ground. If your charger comes with ungrounded pin, then go and replace your charger. It is because your charger is faulty. You can see that my charger comes with ground connection and also I am connecting ground supported cord, but we want to make sure that inside the charger it is grounded. So before that we will make sure our AC socket is grounded. Set your multimeter in AC measuring mode and connect one probe to the face and another probe to the ground. You want to get same reading like you connected in phase and neutral. If you don't get any reading, then change probe to another side hole and let the ground hole stay there. The reason why I told you to change the hole without changing the earth hole probe is because in this wall socket right side hole is live and left side is neutral, but some electrician connect wrong side, so you don't get any reading because you connected neutral and earth. So if you change the path, then you will get reading same as you connected neutral and phase, but if you don't, then you don't have earth connection. Try another socket or call electrician, let him help you. Okay, now we checked our wall socket and it is worked fine. So our next step is to check our laptop charger. Turn your multimeter in continuity mode. Touch one probe to the earth pin of the cord and touch another probe in the charger tip of the negative side. In continuity mode, when the two probes get shorted, the multimeter will beep and we know there is shorted. So if we hear beep, that means earth and DC negative is shorted, which is good. In my case you can hear beep, which means earth and negative is shorted, but I actually did it myself and I will show you that how I did. You can see in case it says connect only grounded outlet, but inside of the charger ground is empty. Let's open and see. To open this case it is really hard. You need to use flat screwdriver and work all the edges. I already opened one time, that is why I opening easily. Now you can see that I soldered the earth pin into negative connection, and doing this my laptop is working fine without any shocks or mic problem. I repeating again, when I opened the case of the charger, I found that the AC in ground is empty. So I take a wire and connected one end to the ground and another and all the way inside of it sink into negative of the DC out.
Hello guys. Hello.
Now my mic is working great and I hope it helps. Thank you for watching, subscribe and I will see you again.